Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to connect your OPPO Reno 15 5G to your PC using OPPO Connect application. So first of all, we're gonna have to make sure that we are signed in to our OPPO account. So go to settings, go to your account and make sure that you are signed in. Now, after that, we're gonna have to download the OPPO Connect application for PC. So basically all you have to do is go to your web browser and find the official connect.oppo.com website and select for PC tab and then select download for Windows. Now at this point the download file, the exe file will start downloading on your device. And you're gonna have to open it. Then let's click I agree. If you want to, you can optionally join the user experience program, but you don't have to do this. Click install and wait until this program is installed on your computer. When it's done, let's click get started. And right now we're gonna have to sign in to our OPPO account, the same one that we have on our smartphone. So let's click sign in right here, select OPPO. Then we can either enter our phone number and then password, or if you want to sign in using email, select email option below, then enter your email address in the top field. No, I think it was this one, and then enter password to your account. Okay. Then I'm gonna have to also complete CAPTCHA. Okay, and then we're gonna have to check our email address and check for the code. Wait until you have received the code, and then enter this code into this field. Now, before all of that, you're gonna have to tap get code for this to happen, and the code will be sent to your email immediately. So let's confirm our identity. By the way, if you used your phone number, you will more probably receive an SMS on your phone number to confirm your identity. Click OK. And after that, once we are signed in, we're gonna have to find our connect our device by clicking Add Device at the bottom. Then we can either scan QR code using our smartphone's web camera. I think it's pretty obvious how to do that, so I don't think I need to show it on the video. But we can also connect our device using USB. And now this is slightly more complicated, as we will not only have to connect our smartphone using USB to our computer, just like this, but besides, on your smartphone, swipe down the control center and select a charging device using USB at the very bottom of your notifications. And if you don't see your smartphone on your device on your PC, select File Transfer / Android Auto, and then you're gonna have to tap Connect on your PC, and then allow the connection on your smartphone. Also check I understand the risks. If you don't want to, you can also check don't show this again, and then click Allow. Okay, and now the connection is successful. We basically just set up our OPPO Connect application, and now we can basically manage our smartphone using this application on our PC. So as you can see, we have options like files, screencast, and content synchronization. And if you want to disconnect your smartphone, just click disconnect right here. Or you can simply unplug the USB Type-C cable from your smartphone. As you can see, here we have access to all the files that are stored on our smartphone. We can start casting our phone screen. We can also start casting applications. And that's basically it. So thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.